One TV special report.
Okay, that's fine. So can we not invite also the barangay levels if ever they're interested to join?
Thank you for the reminders, Madam Chair, no? Because during the daytime of the weekend, barangays will be invited to display their product, their agri products for free, and join the Kadiwa program. Okay, we have already the ongoing Kadiwa activity, which encourage the mga farmers to sell their goods sa city for free, and supposedly it is only on the 15th and 30th day of the month. But now, with the opening of our night market, weekend market siya. Weekend market and night cafes, pwede na sila maka-display dito whole day for 2 days a week sa mga barangay. So we have 34 slots. Barangays can share the spaces on that street and display their goods every weekend.
Is there any classification? This particular area is for the food?
Yes, Madam Chair, and this afternoon, it would be part of our agenda. The Executive Economic Enterprise Board will confer on that matter.
Okay, congratulations in advance.
Congratulations to the city, to this
Economic Board,
for the support, and of course to our Mayor Indy Waminal, for supporting this program and listening to the
proposals
to the businessmen.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Ko, for
query, Honorable Chair. The barangays will be displaying their goods starting what time of the day?
Morning, maybe 8 o'clock during the entire morning, entire day, until 4:30, to give time to pack away things and to give time to the night cafes occupants.
So the barangay, Honorable Chair, will be
during the day,
displaying their goods
from 9
in the morning until 4:30
from 9 o'clock until 4:30.
Na ilang mahipo sila to pave the way sa night cafe at 6
night
o'clock.
cafe, the night cafe would start at 5:30.
So malimpi sila para
we have 1 hour for the
maka-install ang night cafe before 6 o'clock.
Okay.
They open up 6 o'clock. So
they're giving
thank you
1
very
hour
much.
to pack up their one also. Okay, that's a very good.
Yes, Madam Chair. And on Thursday, April 4, we'll be having an orientation, or maybe not later than April 4. We'll be having an orientation meeting with the night cafes vendors and the barangay vendors for the Kadiwa.
Okay, that's a very good development for our wellness park. Any other comments or some reactions towards the report of Honorable Ko? I hope our barangay affairs, please encourage also our barangay officials na mo hatod mo sila sa ilang mga produkto, no, dito to support our wellness park sa atong night market especially, no. Okay, thank you, Honorable Moralio.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. We now proceed to item number 9, letter C, unassigned business, whereby we have 5 approved sessions. And to begin with, the number 1 approved session, a resolution approving the training in organic agriculture production in situ from April 1 to 10 May 2024 by Technological Expertise Services of the Philippines Incorporated in San City. And I yield to Chairman of Committee on Education, Honorable Sir Yuko, to introduce and recommend action on this item, Honorable Chair.
Committee of Education is hereby recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion. Honorable Ko.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I move to pass a resolution approving the training in organic agriculture production level 2 from April 1 to May 10, 2024 by the Technological Expertise Services of the Philippines Incorporated in Osamis City for first reading with reservations.
For first reading of reservations, motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. For final reading and for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules, I move to pass this resolution for the approval of the said training by the Technological Expertise Services of the Philippines Incorporated in Osamis City due to the public demand of this course for final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Move for second reading, waiving the internal rules. As being moved by the Honorable Ko. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Appropriation number 2, resolution approving the delivery of 3 units floating till on 2 April 2024 and inspection, trial run and signing of delivery documents on 16 April 2024 by the Philippine Center for Post-Harvest Development and Mechanization in the city. I now yield to the Chairman of Committee on Agriculture, Honorable Sunny Wamina Jr. to introduce and recommend action on this item, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Sunny Wamina is now recognized with the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Majority Floor Leader. Good morning, everyone. This humble representation would like to move for a resolution approving the delivery of 3 units floating tiller on 2 April 2024 and inspection, trial run, and signing of delivery documents on 16 April 2024 by the Philippine Center for Post-Harvest Development and Mechanization, PhilMec in the city. Be approved on first reading with reservation, Madam Chair, on joint motion.
Move for first reading with reservation. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair, for the sake of public welfare and given its utmost urgency, me, I therefore move that the same be approved on second and final reading, waiving the internal rules of this Sanggunian.
Due to the urgency of this request, the Honorable Wamina is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules as presented. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none, motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Appropriation number 3, resolution authorizing the local chief executive, Honorable Henry A. Puanel Jr. to enter into and sign on behalf of Osamis City the Memorandum of Understanding with the Department of Science and Technology, DOST, for the implementation and adoption of DOST technologies related to disaster risk reduction and management and climate change action in the city. I now yield to the Chairman of the Committee on Environment and Natural Resources, Honorable John Sakin, to endorse and recommend action on this item, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Sakin is now recognized with the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Honorable Chair, I move to pass a resolution authorizing the local chief executive, Honorable Henry A. Wamila Jr. to enter into and sign on behalf of Osamis City the Memorandum of Understanding with the Department of Science and Technology, DOST, for the implementation and adoption of DOST technologies related to disaster risk reduction and management and climate change action in Osamis City and Roger. On first reading with reservation.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
For the second and final reading, Honorable Chair, I move to pass this resolution as I said a while ago, Honorable Chair.
Move by the Honorable Sakin this resolution authorizing the local chief executive, Honorable Henry F. Wamina Jr., to enter into and sign on behalf of Osamis City this Memorandum of Understanding with the Department of Science and Technology, for the implementation and adoption of DOST technologies related to disaster risk reduction and management and climate change action in the city. Moved by the Honorable Sakin to pass this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Is there any comment, remarks? Hearing none, motion approved on the second and final reading.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Proposition number 4 is the barangay budget, annual budget of Barangay Gango in amount of 9,812,007 pesos for our approval and approved action, Honorable Chair. May I now yield to the Chairman of the Committee on Barangay Affairs, Honorable John Carlo Moralion, to introduce and recommend action on this barangay budget, Barangay Gango, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Giancarlo Moralion is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Majority Floor. Thank you, Madam Chair. I would like to pass the annual budget of Barangay Gango in the amount of 9,812,760, passing for first reading with reservation.
Move to pass this on the first reading with reservations. Motion.
Madam Chair, due to the urgency of the said annual budget of Barangay Gango, I would like to pass for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Due to the urgency of this request from Barangay Gango, the Honorable Moralion is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules as manifested. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none, motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. The last, but not the least, proposition number 5, resolution approving the TISDA Skills Training Program starting on April 2, 2024 to June 17, 2024 by Immaculate Conception School of Technology of San City, Incorporated in San City. And I yield to Chairman of the Committee on Education, Honorable Cecil Yuko, to introduce and recommend action on this item, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Cecil, the Committee Chair on Education is recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Majority Floor Leader. So I move to pass a resolution approving the TESDA Skills Training Program starting on April 2, 2024 to June 17, 2024 by the Immaculate Conception College of Technology of Osami City Incorporated in Osami City. The programs are shielded metal arc welding level 1 and visual graphic design level 3. For first reading with reservations, Madam Chair.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. For the interest of the public, I move to pass the approval of this resolution approving the TESDA Skills Training Program by the Immaculate Conception College, Immaculate Conception School of Technology of Osami City for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Manifested and moved by the Honorable Cecil Ko to pass this resolution on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none, motion approved on the second and final reading. Motion.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. There are not many items on my table. Under item number 10, business for third reading. So at this juncture, Honorable Chair, we have the pleasure and privilege to hear on PCL matters from Honorable Dick Deciso, Honorable Chair.
For PCL matters, we may hear from Honorable Suizo.
For PCL matters, Madam Chair, none as of the moment.
None at the moment. Noted.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. May we also have the pleasure and privilege to hear on SK matters from Honorable John Phil, the Hindon, the Hilongson, Honorable Chair.
For ABC matters,
SK matters.
SK matters, may we hear from Honorable John Duhay Lungsod. SK matters.
Thank you, Majority Floor Leader and Madam Chair. For SK Matters, I would like to inform this Sanggunian that I'm urging now my fellow SK chairpersons to conduct the KK profiling and KK assembly. It means Katipunan ng Kabataan Profiling and Katipunan ng Kabataan Assembly, and that is mandated by law, the under Republic Act 10742, or other known as the SK Reform Act of 2015. The KKA Assembly, Madam Chair, is until April, second week of April. So same lang ni siya sa Barangay Assembly, Madam Chair. Pero ang nakalain ani, ang Barangay Assembly manggod, magsugod ang edad sa 18 years old above, while the Katipunan ng Kabataan is 15 years old up to 30 years old, including katong mga minyo. Same as sa KK profiling. So ni adere ang ato ang kanang tawag aning ABC. So naghidaot pud ko and I'm sure nga ang mga barangay sa Ozamis suportado pod kini nga kalihukan. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Okay, the ABC President hope to encourage the barangay officials to participate on this particular seminar.
Assembly.
Oh, assembly. Okay, that would be on April.
Actually, Madam Chair, the assembly for the first quarter is Maragiliwayan Bali until the second week of April, Madam Chair.
And would that start on April?
Actually, Madam Chair, paglingkod pa lang unta supposed to be until makakandak na sila within 45 days, I'm not sure. Pero
At the moment, starting na.
yes, Madam Chair. So, dunay end bali by the second week of April. Ang tama na lang. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Okay, noted by the chair.
Thank you, Honorable J. Longson. Thank you, Honorable Chair. At this point of time, we have also the pleasure and privilege to hear ABC matters from Honorable John Carlo Morlino, Honorable Chair.
For ABC matters, may we hear from Honorable John Carlo.
Thank you again, Majority Floor, and thank you, Madam Chair. Ang ako lang ikadungang gamay sa kang John Phil, ang katong muapil sa Barangay Assembly, atong gipahibalo ang ato ang mga barangay captain nga gikan sa 15 years old hangtod pataas ang makaapil sa Barangay Assembly. And ang ato ang Barangay Assembly, ang balaod yun ana is taman ra gyud ang taong March 31, right?
Supposedly.
Na-extend siya taman og April 30 tungod sa dili makaya nga mga schedule sa tuang barangay diri sa Samis.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Moralion. Noted.
Thank you, Honorable Morello. Thank you, Honorable Chair. At this juncture, we will now have the pleasure and privilege to hear on matters concerning the indigenous people from Honorable Bayan Relinda Bation, Honorable Chair.
Honorable Bation, you are now recognized by the chair for matters concerning the indigenous people.
Thank you, Madam Chair. None for now, Madam Chair.
Okay, noted.
Thank you, Honorable Bation. Thank you, Honorable Chair. I now yield to my colleagues for any important, valuable, relevant, and material announcement or information that my colleagues would wish to bring forth before this House body, Honorable Chair, before I proceed to item number 15, Honorable Chair.
Your Honorable Cecil Co is now recognized by the chair.
Thank you, Madam Chair. We just like to know and fix our schedule for the next regular session. When will it be? Since
Yeah.
April 9 is a
Next week, Tuesday is holiday. That's Bataan Day. So, any suggestion?
Wednesday, April 10 might be also a holiday. It is Peter, Honorable Chair. So, we might as well set our decision on Thursday, April 11, Honorable Chair. We'll have a long vacation. Except
April 11?
April 9 is araw na kagitingan. April 10 is Eid Peter, which might be declared a holiday as usually done by the government. It's Eid Peter on April 10.
So, our next session would be on April
So,
11.
On April 11 at 1:30 o'clock in the afternoon, Honorable Chair. April 11 Thursday at 1:30 o'clock in the afternoon, Honorable Chair.
1 o'clock?
Our next regular session will be on April 11
At
at
1?
1:30 o'clock in the afternoon.
Okay. May I repeat? Our next session will be on April 11, that's Thursday, at 1:30 p.m.
If there are no other material and valuable announcement from my colleagues, I am now proceeding to my very important task. I move to adjourn the regular session, Honorable Chair.
Session is adjourned.